In this video, you'll learn all about payment gateways and payment methods on Blixo in just a few simple steps. Blixo supports 3 payment gateways, including Stripe, Braintree, and third-party payment gateways. Please note that if you are accepting payments on third-party platforms such as Shopify, setting up a payment gateway in this section will not affect or work on Shopify. Now let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Payments field to access the Payment Settings page. An important notice about third-party gateways will pop up after that. Click OK to skip it. Please remember that each payment gateway will support its specific payment methods. Moreover, in Blixo, you can configure the level of payment methods for each customer on the Customer Details page. The level of customer payment methods is higher than the level in Payment Settings. To configure payment gateways, click the Payment Gateways tab and then click the Setup button. An important notice about third-party gateways will pop up after that. Click OK to skip it. Please note that if you wish to use a payment gateway besides Stripe, you must be on an enterprise plan. And also, you can only connect one account from the same payment gateway. First, let's connect with Stripe. Click the Connect with Stripe button to initiate the process. Fill out all required information required by Stripe. And here is the result. Success. These are payment methods that Stripe supports: Other, wire transfer, ACH direct debit, check, credit card, and cash. The payment method, which has an instruction box to fill out information, will not be visible when a customer pays an invoice if nothing was inputted in the instructions box. Now, let's set up the Braintree gateway. Click the Setup button and choose the Braintree option in the drop-down list. After that, all required fields needed for setup will be displayed. You can follow this guideline to obtain your Braintree credentials by accessing this URL. Let's assign a name for this gateway. Then go to the Braintree guideline to obtain these 3 credentials and fill them out. If you want to configure additional methods such as Google Pay or Apple Pay, you can fill them out here. The final step is clicking on the Save button to finish the setup process. Let's check it out. Success. These are payment methods that Braintree supports. Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, Other, wire transfer, ACH direct debit, check, credit card, and cash. You can turn on or turn off each payment method by clicking on its toggle and then clicking the Save button. Voila! You have successfully set up payment gateways and configured payment methods on Blixo in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.